Yo, what's up? Bitches. Hey, alright, part 7, my last part, I promise, my last part, always say that, promise my last part. If you guys want more, you'll just have to subscribe and ask for more. Usually all about Van Halen, but I love this game. I also like getting into good school.
There you go.
That's why I don't play this a lot. But I do this in my spare time. I play sports. Very good golfer. Nationally ranked golfer. Only 13.
You have a small penis.
I have a huge penis, too, as I can see. I don't know if I should be able to, if I should say that, but here we go. Derail. I really don't like derail. Come on, blow the skip, blow the skip.
I want to ride my bicycle.
Bicycle.
I want to ride my bike.
I want to ride you.
We should have an intro to everything. Like an intro song. But no Van Halen intro song. We should put something good.
My channel's all Van Halen. I gotta have it.
Yeah, but...
On my last video, I'm gonna make... I'll be in bed, actually, playing COD 6. Me and him will be playing. I think he might be playing, actually.
Who? That'd be me. If you want to see my movies, just call me at 860-555.
Hi, Rice. My last video... I was gonna do Favela, but I didn't do Favela.
Oh, my crap, my pants!
Ooh! Ow! Last game was pretty fun. Holy shit! That feels bad. Alright, all about tips. Alright, you got to find a first.
Did you say all about tits?
You gotta find a place to camp.
You gotta find a place to do it. You can't be in the back hall because if you do that, the parents are gonna catch you. And you don't want that. Camping out in the corner.
Leo likes Playboy.
I like Playboy.
Daddy, join the club.
Yeah, baby!
Yeah, baby.
Who wants to look at Playboy with me? Yeah. That was my AAM.
You got French?
Alright, so I found a place to camp.
You got to play. We're not going to be as sick. They can take me and post them and see if that's possible.
Whoa, got killed. Alright, you find a place to camp and you just stay there. That's all you gotta do. You get a lot of kills doing that.
Now, when I play, if I play, I'm gonna teach you guys how to run and gun the right way.
Like, I went... Oh, Jesus. I went 18-0 last game because it was all about finding a place to camp and just staying there.
42 seconds ago. I like to play Team Sabotage or Demolition or Team Deathmatch.
This is Demolition.
Yeah, suck my dog. I didn't suck my dick.
Oh, no need for my language. Funny boy.
Fuck your dog.
Fuck my dog. You wanna do that?
My cat. If I get a cat, you can't do shit. Should be a dog. That's a cat.
Your cat sport.
How do they say you want an Xbox? How do they get like the one who won the Xbox 360 and just kind of fish?
Ooh, it's about to knife him. Alright, so...
Guys, chopper gunner.
Chopper gunner. Alright, when you've got a chopper gunner, here's a good tip if you haven't done yet. When you've got a chopper gunner, you just get inside. I don't care what you're doing. You get inside no matter what. Don't try and shoot the chopper gunner down.
Like that, idiot.
Not a good idea.
Here we go. We shot down. Shot down.
I know.
You're gonna lose if you don't defuse it. Don't defuse
There's no
it.
diffuse, don't
I'm
worry.
not sharp enough. I don't like it.
Go, 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 go.
He's a man.
Go defuse it, John. Defuse it, John. John, defuse it. John, defuse it. 4 seconds. 4
No,
seconds.
there's a guy can't do it.
John, you don't have, it doesn't matter. That was our part 7.
Oh, and 2!
Hope you guys